Shinkansen left side. So there are 3-4 lines left side I have to take. See, there are so many restaurants ready to eat meals like ekabens. So ekabens are ready to eat. They are very popular in Japan. So we can just people will take this and before boarding this Shinkansen train. So first I have to check which platform I have to go. So either Tokaido Sanyo, that is goes to Osaka. So Tohoku, Akita, Hokkaido, Doitsu. So I will see which line I have to take first. So they are all. So it was a bit confusion because these lines were a bit inside. So these Hayabusa lines. So I asked one Japanese guy. He just came with me, along with me, and showed this entrance gates. So this entrance gates I just entered with using this my ticket. So I asked that person with the mask. He said platform number 20. So now I will go to platform number 20 and wait. But there are still 30 minutes time. So in 30 minutes there will be several trains, Shinkansen bullet trains. So just I have to ignore all of them because they will be going different. Yeah, now I can see Hayabusa. So 9:36 is the time. See, now it is clear. Platform number 20, 9:36 is the time. So my coach is 4. So coach number 9 you can see is a grand car, means that is first class. So yeah, it's clear, everything is now I got clarity. So before that there is a 9:20 train from platform number 20. So that is not my train. My train is Hayabusa 11. It is printed clearly on the ticket. So I will also show you my ticket. So which I booked yesterday. So this is my ticket. So you can see Hayabusa 11. So time is 9:36. Date March 30th. So it will reach Shinamori at 12:34. My seat number is car is 3. Sorry, not 4. My car is 3, and seat is 4A. So this is the entire ticket. So this printed yesterday. So this is about I didn't have breakfast till now, so I'm feeling hungry. It's 9 o'clock. So I will take something in Beck's Coffee. I can see some donuts. So sandwiches anyhow you can't eat. So non-veg. So I will take this donuts and I will proceed the toilets in Shinkansen 9. So the women and men, they are very clean, very neat. I am not able to find veg food, so veg sandwich or anything, donuts. So I have taken this cafe latte. So I have put 200 yen. This is 180 yen. So I got 20 yen wapas exchange return. So automatic. These machines are everywhere in Japan. So it is easy to operate. We can use any cards, credit cards, debit card, or money, anything. So see, they accept so many payment methods. So this is the waiting area for Shinkansen trains. So we can see if we have any time, because heaters are there, so we can sit for some time. So if I have 15-20 minutes, but I will go to platform and see other Shinkansen trains going on the different platforms. So this is the waiting area for Shinkansen trains. So we can see if we have any time, because heaters are there, so we can sit for some time. So if I have 15-20 minutes, but I will go to platform and see other Shinkansen trains going on the different platforms. So now you can see my train at 9:36. So train number 11, track 20. So now we go to the track 20. So this is track 20. Either we can take a lift available here, or we can track 20 and track 21. So mine is track 20. So I will take the lift this time, and I will see how it. Now train is coming. So it's 9:20, but it is late. So it will reach on time. So you can see these people are cleaners. So they clean the train within short time and ready for the next trip. So this is 9:20 train. So it is coming on platform 20. So my train is next 9:36, Hayabusa 11. So we can see bullet train now in any minute. So these are other trains. see the blue train. That is also excellent, looking excellent. So,
ご乗車になれません。
see, this is a bullet
作業
train.
が終わるまで列に並んでお待ちください。清掃整備を行います。
So this is going to Kagayaki. Kagayaki. Destination is Suruga. Suruga is the destination. See how they are bending and saluting to train driver.
繰り返しお客様に
They just board the train and clean it within minutes, within short time. So this is 507, train number 507. So this is bullet train.
また一部列車は速度を落として運転を行っておりました。この影響によりまして東京駅到着発車の各新幹線15分程度の遅れが発生しております。折り返しの輝き号につきまして
They are ready with the carry bags
遅れに込まれております。
to clear the trash. So this lady ready with coffee, tea and this trolley in the train. So first allow the passengers to get down and then they enter the train, clean it and then they give green signal only and the next passengers will enter into the train. So they are checking if any passenger is there in the train. So if everyone is got off from the train, get off the train. If everyone is out, then only they will enter. Otherwise they will not enter. See they are entering now. So this guy is waiting, still waiting, because there are people in the coach car. See how he is looking. So if he will enter only when there is nobody in the car. So we can see the announcement that supervisor. So they have put board now. So they have put board. Please wait until cleaning is finished. So there won't be anything in the inside, but any rubbish or anything, so they will clean it and they will give a green signal for this train to depart. So this is another bullet train, Yamabiko. So this is train number 122. So if we come to Tokyo station, so entire day we can see all different Shinkansen trains. So Shinkansen is nothing but bullet trains. So Japan is the first country in the world which introduced bullet trains in the year 1964 when Tokyo Olympics were conducted. So after that, many countries now they are running bullet trains like France, TGV, Netherlands, Thalys, and Rossa, Italy. So they are all excellent. So even Korea, China is going very fast. So India, we are just getting one train maybe in 2 years from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. So we need to get more trains connecting to different cities. Then only infrastructure will improve. So this is another trolley. So she will enter into the train.